Grading in Google Classroom is very simple. Each assignment has its own page where you can review your students' work, give feedback, also issuing grades, all in one place. To grade your assignments, you're going to click on the Grades tab. When you are here, you're going to see all the assignments you have in your class, so you have to click on the one you want to grade. You can grade them directly here. You can just give them marks, or you can open a window where you can even see more information about these submissions. So for instance, you click on these three dots here, you're going to see View Submission. When you click here, it's going to open a window. The main part of the window here, you will see the student's work and the grading tool to the right side. In the grade field, you can type the grades you'd want to give. Also, you can leave comments or feedback for the students in the private comments area here. In the case that you have a lot of students to grade, you can just click on this drop-down menu here. You're going to see all your students you have in your classroom. The ones that are graded, they're going to be graded. The ones that are not graded are going to have a turned-in mark. So you click on that student, then you can come to grade and give them their grades, just like that. Then under the private comments, you can also give feedback to these students depending on what they submitted. Your feedback and grades will be saved as a draft, which you can then send off when they are ready. When you're done grading this assignment, you can return it. If you want to return multiple assignments at once, you can just click on this little button here. It's going to show you the option to return multiple submissions at once. All the students who submitted their assignments and their assignments were graded, they're going to appear here. And so all you have to do here is just click on return to confirm. Once you start grading your assignments, you're going to find a lot of useful information on the grades tab. For instance, here you can see the overall grades for each and every student. You can see their performance in all the assignments that you post. If you're not seeing the overall grades, it's because you're not using the overall grade calculation feature, which you can turn on in the class settings. To learn more about grading systems in Google Classroom, check out our Getting Started video. To learn more about any of these students that you have in your classroom, you can just easily click on their name. You'll be taken to a page with the summary of their work, including any pending or missing assignments. So from here, you can also do a quick sort. So if, for instance, if you want to see the tuned in assignments, you can just click on that. It's going to show you the assignments that this student tuned in. If you want to see the ones that were returned, you can also do that, and you'll see the ones that were returned. And if there are any missing assignments, they are going to appear here. These were the basics about grading. Now you are ready to start grading your students' assignments. Hope this information was helpful. If it was, subscribe to this channel and also leave a comment if there's anything that you'd want me to help you with. In the next video, we're going to talk about communicating with students in the Google Classroom.